Right, but with this, back to the markets then, and let's also tell you which are the cues that you should be watching out for, which are indeed important for the markets. And let me take it across to Snehi for all the details.
But the global markets are going to be a buzz. So if you take a look at some global cues to watch out for, on the 5th of November from the US, you have the US Supreme Court that's all set to hear arguments on the legality of 60% of Donald Trump's tariffs. So this is going to be an important case to track. And on the 6th of November, you have initial jobless claims numbers. From UK on November 5, you have the Bank of England rate decision, so watch out for that. Eurozone November 5, S&P Global Eurozone Services PMI and PPI numbers along with retail sales on the 6th. From China on the 5th of November, you have services, composite and manufacturing PMI numbers out. And from Japan on the same day, you have Bank of Japan releasing the minutes of its September meeting. If you take a look at some important global earnings that we are going to be tracking, Qualcomm, SoftBank, Toyota, Novo Nordisk, ARM, Robinhood, DBS, AstraZeneca and Airbnb are some of the marquee names that we'll be tracking over the course of these 2 days. But shifting focus to Indian markets, while the markets may be off for a holiday, the earnings will continue in full swing because from the Nifty front on November 5, you have Sun Pharma and Grasim with broader market names like Blue Star, PNG, Motherson Wiring, Zydus Wellness, Godrej Agrovet, Piramal Pharma and many more. And on the 6th, you will have Apollo Hospitals from the Nifty 50 group of stocks. And other than that, from the broader end, ABB, Aarti Industries, Ajmera Realty, AkzoNobel, Godrej Properties, Glenmark Life and a whole host of other stocks to watch out for. If you take a look at some corporate action and board meetings, on the 5th, you will have MTAR Tech that is going to be mulling a scheme of arrangement and Ramco Cements that's going to be mulling a scheme of amalgamation, so watch out for that. On the 6th, you will have Ajmera Realty. The board is going to be mulling stock split along with its earnings, and Zydus Life along with its earnings. The board is also going to be making a fundraising announcement, so keep a close eye on that. In terms of the primary market, on the 6th of November, Okla India, which is a parent for MTR Foods, that stock will be, or that IPO will be making its G-Street debut, so watch out for that listing. On the 6th of November, Aether Energies lock-in period opens for 44% of equity. And in terms of some other events on the 6th of November, watch out for the speech from ECB Chief Economist Philip Lane. He's going to be speaking at an event, and the Tesla AGM will be taking place, so keep a close eye on all of these cues.